In this video, I will tell you why I will sell Caterpillar. And with that, welcome back to Investing for Generations, your channel for high-quality stock research for long-term value investor. Caterpillar is part of my long-term value investing portfolio, and I'm up on my position 106%. And in this video, I will explain why I think it's time to sell. And by the way, here you see an insight to my real money portfolio with all the positions in this portfolio, and you find deeper analysis to all of these companies on my channel. So feel free to check this out. And with this portfolio, I have a performance since the start at the 2nd of December 2019 of almost 64% compared to the S&P 500 over the same time span of 34%. Or in other words, I outperformed the S&P 500 by 30%. And if you like this whole idea, if you like the idea of long-term value investment and find any value in my videos, please subscribe, share these videos and like. Thank you. I bought my Caterpillar shares on May 21st, 2020 in the depth of the pandemic crash, and I bought 14 shares for $112.74. And currently, I record this video before opening on Monday, Caterpillar is traded at $230. So I'm more than double my investment in just 11 months. Of course, every time when you gain so much in a short period of time, the question is, do you sell? Do you stick with it? What do you do with this position? And I decided to sell. And why I decided to sell, the reason for that is these waves. Here we see the revenue of Caterpillar over the last 15 years, and we see up and down and up and down and up and lately down again. And so this is just typically for a cyclic stock, for a cyclical business. And of course, the same we see when we look at the earnings per share. It's up and down and up and down and just in waves. And that's absolutely typical for cyclical stocks. A cyclical stock is a stock that's price is affected by macroeconomic or systematic changes in the overall economy. Cyclical stocks are known for following the cycles of an economy through expansion, peak, recession, and recovery. That's what Investopedia say about cyclical stocks. And Caterpillar is a typical cyclical stock. And that reflects also in the stock price. When we look here, we see, it goes up and then it goes down again, and up and down, and the peaks are pretty high and the volatility is pretty high. So for example, here in 2008, a big decline from $83 to, in the down peak, $53 or 66%. In 2011, just the same. Also here in 2014, down peak of 45%. And also here even before the pandemic crash. And then of course last year in the pandemic situation, the crash. And then I was able to buy. And now when we look at the chart, it's just climbing. And this looks like, for me, this looks like exuberance. And also when we look at the earnings per share, this is in German, KGV, this is earnings per share, is 43 right now. Also this looks very expensive right now. And so for me, it's just a question of time when this cyclic stock just crashes again. And then it's maybe time for me to take a look again. But right now, I think it's a good time to sell. Even if I know it's very likely that maybe this run goes another 10, 20%, whatever, and I will miss out. But I think there are better chances in the market with a better risk and reward. And of course you can say, but we have all the infrastructure plans all over the world. For example, the $2 trillion infrastructure plan in the US, and all over the world, even in Europe, Asia, wherever. They have big plans, big economic plans, and of course in these infrastructure plans, Caterpillar will have his share. I think a lot of that, maybe all of that, is already priced into the stock price of Caterpillar, and so the market normally anticipate that and is maybe 3 or 6 months ahead. And so for me, after all, it's time to sell. And so I will sell around $230 after the market open today. Well, we will see which price I get. Then after all, I made a very good trade over 11 months. So far, so good. And then the next step, of course, is to find new opportunities. Therefore, it's very important to do the research and research a lot. And I not came to a conclusion yet, but it's very likely that I will sell another position in the next few days. And it's also very likely that I will buy another position in the next few days. And if you want to know which one I will sell and which one I will buy into my portfolio, then please subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell to never miss another video, and then we will see in the next few days with another video about all the transactions. And of course, if you're new to my channel, you get every weekend a weekly update on my portfolio with all the transactions, dividends, and whatever is important to my portfolio. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like it and share it, and then we will see the next time with another video about another stock. See you then. Take care. Bye bye.